So here I am walking through the snow. I'm going to try and walk over to the diner over here, but I don't think it's going to be open. I don't think much is open right now. And I can't really walk on the sidewalk, as you can see. It is completely buried. If I were to walk through there, it might come up to my knees. So I'm actually going to have to walk on the road here. More mountains of snow from the bulldozers and the trucks. Nothing is open. Nothing. I can walk in the middle of the road. Yes, I could. In fact, that is what I'm going to do. Until the trucks come to clear up the rest of the snow. Can't really see over these mountains of snow if the diner is open. Here come the bulldozers. Oh, look at this car. I thought this was a mountain of snow. This is somebody's car stuck under here. This guy is going to be really pissed. And then the whole side of this road. The whole side of this road. It's like walking through a valley here. Mountains. Mountains of snow. Look at this. See? Just to give you some scope. Walking over here. I mean, I like it. I like the fresh fallen snow. It's beautiful. Real peaceful. Real calming. And I don't think they're open. Are they even open? No. This whole street is shut down, actually. This was a dumb idea. Well, I guess I'm going to walk back then.